In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change insurance ownership online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you step-by-step instructions on how to change insurance ownership online. This can vary depending on the insurance provider and the type of policy, so keep that in mind. Most insurers offer an online process, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a general guide. So first, log into your online account. You have to go over to the app or website for your specific insurance provider and log into your account. So you will be able to manage the current insurance policy that you have and of course transfer the ownership. So log in using your credentials. After you are done signing in to your account, you will be able to browse through all of the options so you can find the specific policy that you would like to transfer ownership of. Once you find a specific one, access the transfer option, so policy transfer or change of ownership, and you will be able to input the details of the new policy owner, including name, address, contact information, and any other required details. This will allow you to carefully review the information and submit the transfer request. Now, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you this process on screen, but regardless, you will be able to get it done as long as you include valid and legitimate information about the new policy owner. By doing this, you will be able to transfer it all together. Be aware of some important considerations. Ensure that the policy allows for a change of ownership because some policies may have restrictions or additional documentation is going to be needed, and you might need to provide those supporting documents, such as a copy of the new owner's identification or proof of address. There may be associated fees for transferring the ownership, and if you encounter difficulty, I highly recommend talking to their customer support, and they will be able to do this process for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to change insurance ownership online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.